Hi, in this example, we will connect to Oracle database from a Java program. We need a library called JDBC, and the very first step to do is to use the right driver. As you know, there are multiple databases, and in this example, we are using Oracle driver, as you see here. Once you register the right driver, you need to establish a connection. A connection is the username, password, and the port number, and the IP address of the server, and the SID of Oracle. This example is a very common example where you connect to the local host and the right port number using the ORCL as SID. If your SID is different, you need to use a different name. And Scott Tiger is our basic example user. So very first step is the driver. Second step is the connection. Once you do this, you will be connected to the Oracle DBMS engine in your machine. Second is to start sending queries to the database, and this is done in statements. There are other ways of doing this, but statement is the very basic one. As you see in this example, I do statement, connection, create statement. So your statement is actually going to be sent to connection, which is you created in a previous step. The second thing is to execute the query. When you execute a query, you get a result set. A result set is a list of records received once the query is executed. Here is the syntax: result set, RS, statement, execute query, and your query is here. So whatever returns from the database will be stored in the result set. Now we can iterate in the result set by using while rs next, and this is a very famous example when working with databases. You get whatever you want. Here, as you see, name is a string. Rs gets string 1. 1 means the first column in the query results. Second is integer. Third is double. So in this example, we'll get the name, emp number, and salary from emp. Then we can print all the lines together. If I run this one, I get the results here. I get the names, the emp number, and the salaries. I'll close this one and show you a different one. Here we are again reusing the same connection, but to do a different query. As you see here, we are using select depth number, dname location from depth. Again, we are iterating inside the depth table and getting whether integer or string or double and printing them. Of course, once you are done, you need to close the result sets and you need to close the connection. So if I run this one, I'll get this query executed first, then I'll get this query executed second, and then my connection will be closed. That's it. So in brief, you need to register the right driver, establish the connection with the right username, password, SID, port number, then create a statement, execute queries, get the results of the queries in a result set, and then you can do whatever you want with the result set. In the next example, we'll see how to use result set in a JTable. That's all about it.